Guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a package, and in today's video I thought why not unbox it together with the fam. So you guys come along with me as I pick up my package from right outside my house and open it with you. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. You probably already have an idea from the title of this video, but let's discover it together. Okay, there it is. Cue the ASMR tapping. You know how people do that in unboxing videos? I think I was trying to achieve that vibe, but my background wasn't quite enough. So, voiceover it is. You guys, it's my Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI. Yep. I got this during the Black Friday sale, and it arrived in less than a week. They were offering about a 19% discount, so I decided to finally step into my vlogging era. To be honest, like I'm not sure if this if this was an emotional purchase or a strategic one, but here we are. Let's unbox this cute little box together. The first thing I'm pulling out is the pouch, and I love it. It doubles as a carry case for the camera and all the accessories that come with this. I got the creator combo. There are other options if you don't want to buy the creator combo, but I thought to get this and all these accessories at once. There were other accessories that I've had to buy since buying this camera. Those accessories did not come with this camera. I got a magnetic mount that allows me to place the camera hands free if I don't want to hold it. I also got a memory card as well, which did not come with this. I didn't realize that this camera required a memory card until I actually bought it, and those items have since arrived. So this is the manual. Of course, it comes with a manual. Now let's open the pouch. There, look at the camera itself. It's so cute, guys. It's compact, it's easy to carry around. It has a gimbal, so the camera moves smoothly, as you can see. I can't wait to actually use it. Let me know if you would like me to do a review of this camera or even a video about my first impressions. And then next is this tiny attachment that I'm unwrapping. It serves as an extra handle if you want a longer grip. The handle is actually really small, so people with big hands or not might find this extension useful. Then I'm bringing out the DJI mic to transmitter as well. I already have a mic that I use, but it's great to have another one that pairs seamlessly with the camera. What I'm holding right now is the battery handle. The Osmo Pocket 3 lasts about 166 minutes on its own. But if you wanted to vlog extensively, this battery handle will come in useful. It adds another 103 minutes on top of your 166 minutes. So you will find that you are blogging or vlogging for about 269 minutes in total if you had the battery extension. It also extends the camera, which is nice. Then we have this cute little tripod. It's tiny, but it's perfect for placing the camera on a surface when you don't want to hold it. For the size of the camera, I would say it's sturdy. The good thing about that camera as well is if you had or if you have a tripod, right, you can also attach it to your tripod. You don't necessarily have to use the small one. And of course, we have the charging cable. Next is the wrist strap. So you can secure the camera to your wrist while you're filming. You attach it to the camera, you put it around your wrist, and that prevents it from falling. And then here's the windscreen for the mic as well. You see, when I turned this thing upside down, I didn't realize that there were two items that I was missing. First, there's a wide angle lens in there that also fits well into the case. And then there's the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. Both of them were in one corner of that case, and I, didn't see it. This is the protective cover for the camera. Basically, it's like, how you have or how we all have phone cases for our phones. The difference is this protective cover is for when you're not using the camera. You can't actually use it while you're using the camera. It's for while you're not using the camera. And the wide angle lens will fit in properly as well. Next, to my second item that I'm unboxing. It's funny how this says do not use blades, but you'll see me actually put a pair of scissors there to open it. My juice bottles needed replacing, so I bought this pack of 6 glass water bottles. They're actually BPA free. They are dishwasher safe as well. I love them already. Let's unbox them together. It comes with 6 bottles, but 7 covers. It has a funnel as well, which yeah, that's the funnel right there. It comes with a brush for washing the bottles as well. And then it comes with an ice tray. If you wanted your drinks cold, you could just put ice from the ice tray straight into the bottle. Did I mention that they are glass bottles? I think I did. Yeah. You know how glass preserves your food or your drinks for longer? That's why I actually got glass bottles. So the same way that it's nice to use glass bowls for storing your food in the refrigerator as well. There's the ice tray that I was speaking about. And you know what? All 6 bottles fit perfectly by the door of my refrigerator, which is honestly one of the things that I love the most. Each bottle holds about 18 ounces. They are reusable, they are durable, they are dishwasher safe. So I've actually washed these bottles right now and I'm putting them to use. I've decided to juice some pineapple, oranges, and watermelon. I'm going to be blending the pineapple and the orange together, and then I will blend the watermelon separately. And you guys, for all the items that you see in this video, I will be putting the description or the links in my comment section. So if there's anything that you're interested in, you'll find the link down below. You can purchase them through my Amazon storefront. That would be great. Thank you in advance. Oranges and pineapple done. I'm currently blending the watermelon. And here we are, 6 bottles of freshly pressed juice, 4 bottles of watermelon juice, 2 bottles of pineapple and orange juice. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed this. Until next time, ciao.